next trade, of course, was a loss again as well. Now, this is a great example here, like I said before, of how knowing what the market was getting into today, we knew the ATR was low, we knew what we were seeing, we were watching very slow price action. So when I took this second loss, right, my initial reaction is, what is going on in this market right now? If you guys watched this second trade this morning, what did you see? We saw a ton of buyers to tape. Okay, I'm up here in the upper left-hand corner right now. Okay, we saw a ton of big buyers to tape. Momentum was pointing up. Okay, so we had, for the most part here, there should have been no reason why this thing didn't work out. But again, if I made the decision correctly to get into the trade and it didn't work out, I need to start looking at maybe the market today isn't in a position to give me anything good. So of course we come down, we bounce off these lows, we look for a reversal here, back to the upside. You can see the second move back to the upside there worked out. But the first move just simply didn't have enough oomph, right? Didn't have enough moxie. Okay, there's the first move right there. The first move, as you can see, almost filled that first target. In fact, if you were with us this morning, we had 2 tests of that first target. I was just about to move that stop up to entry for that third, right, the third strike. When it came right back down, again, momentum curled over. And of course, we were looking to get out of this trade for another small loss. You can see that the second move actually worked out. It was just we were in a little bit ahead of the game, and there wasn't enough of that, that oomph to get it going. Nonetheless, though, we took a small loss. Again, -3 times 4 is 12 ticks. We don't plan on getting out at -3, but it just seems like at about -3 we start looking at this as being a dangerous trade, and that's usually a good time for us to cut that loss early. So at this point now, I'd given back 24 ticks to the market here as of 11 o'clock. So it's late in the morning. I've got obviously two small losses. They weren't full stops, thank gosh, but they were, of course, small losses. So I now need to think, do I go in, protect my capital? I have no choice right now. At this point in the day, 11 o'clock, we hadn't seen any strong price action yet. So I moved to my simulator, but I keep trading as if I was a live account. So next up, next pattern comes in 5 minutes later. And of course, this is how it always works out, right, guys? You get on your simulator account, and the next 10 trades you take will all be big winners. Well, that's, of course, exactly what happened here. But that's okay, because we have another reason to want these winners to show up. Now, at 10 minutes past the hour, this, of course, now reverses against that 2-step long. We make the swing low here, right, 83.16, 17, and we break below here at 83.15. We got our +4 target filled, move our stop down to entry +1, got our +1 filled for 10 ticks or 100 USD. So we made back almost half our loss right there, but of course it was on simulation. The big key though is now looking at the next trade. How's the next trade going to work out? This 2-step pattern long now coming off these lows, right? Notice these are back-to-back winners here. So we're trading short with the trend, then we bounce off the 8300 level. We're looking for a reversal off that low. We break above that, and there's your 2-step long, 1118. So 10 minutes later, we get another opportunity here, 2-step long, 83.13. This time, of course, we finally got the market to give us something here. We trailed our stop properly. We got into the trade properly. Picture perfect move. Even had a chance to jump in here above the 83.22 for an entry for a breaker pattern long. Right above 83.22, you can see here there was another entry here for a breaker pattern long. So you could have easily gotten, right, either added to your position or got in after the 2-step. And that trade would have worked out as well. As you can see here, guys, the 2-step pattern long, 1118, +4, +8, and then trailed our stop to get that +9 for 25 ticks. Now, of course, at this point in the game, what have I done? Well, I've already dug myself the hole. I've already lost the money, right? The money's gone. But now, what's the big learning lesson here? I've now gone and I've built that confidence back up. And this is where I always encourage you guys, know when to call it quits, but don't stop trading. If I would have simply shut down my computer today, I would have never been able to take those additional trades, and I would have never been able to rebuild that confidence back up, which is now going to bleed over into tomorrow morning. Okay, very important. A simulator can really be an effective tool, even if you've lost some money. Yeah, you're not going to get the money back, but at least now we can plan for tomorrow. Right? Get back in the action, get back on the horse and ride again. Even though this, of course, was not going to make any real money, it shows you the patterns still work. It shows you that your skills as a trader are still there. Right? You're not the worst person in the world. You're not the worst trader on the planet. Right? Just because you took a couple losses, guys, keep taking those trades, keep taking them with confidence, and you will see results. I promise you that. Let's see tomorrow. Let's prep for tomorrow. We've got Thursday, April 22nd, 8:30 jobless claims, 10 o'clock home sales. We've got 10:30 nat gas tomorrow. And don't forget, tomorrow's a Thursday, so we'll do a webinar tomorrow at 11:30. Make sure you guys are out here for that. And don't forget, we're going to open the room tomorrow morning at 7:45 a.m. So we'll see you guys then, 7:45 a.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays we do webinars. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we do tips and tricks. Don't forget, guys, the beginner's course is always designed to help you new trial guests out there. If you're joining the room for the first time and you want some more information about our patterns, our rules, why we take the trades, why we don't take the trades, the markets we trade, our routine, it's all covered in the beginner's course, and that course grows every day. If you want more information about the advanced course comes with charts, free data, and lifetime access to our trade room. And of course, we're always adding new setups like the wave scalping setup we talked about this morning. And for more information on that, just drop us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com, or toll free 800-381-2084. We look forward to working with you guys in the room tomorrow morning. Hope the video helps. My name is Joseph James. We'll see you then. Bye-bye for now.